Hey, everybody. This is Let Me See Your Transcript, your very favorite history teacher, coming to you on a Friday night or evening. So, I wanted to come on here because I hadn't been live in like a couple of days, but I wanted to do something different. As you can see, shout out to the people that I've seen in the chat. Shout out to Fisher King Payne, Alliteration Network, Sean Davy Way, and Danny Robertson. And Melanie Jones says so. Miss Cat Medusa. Um, Real Talk with Real Talk and Tea with Kimmy Love. Because I've been in the chats. If I'm not in the chat, I'm in the bushes or I'm in the Discord. Hey, Susan Johnson. Hey, Black Anonymous. And so the first thing I'm going to talk about today, this has been my week off. So I've had a staycation. I've been trying to prioritize my health this week. So I went to the endocrinologist earlier this week. Went to the orthodontist. That's why my power chain is green for St. Patty's Day. I'm 5% Irish. Then today I got my mammogram. So if you're looking at my, that's me in the robe before I'm about to go into the room. And I was really surprised. They made me put on a wristband. And then I had to go into this room. There were other women there too, and the lights were kind of like dim. And then there was a dressing room, so you change into your dressing. And then there's like, do you want to put your clothes in the locker or do you want to carry it with you? So I was like, I'll carry mine with you. So they gave me this little plastic bag, and I put my stuff in there. And so then I had to wait till, I wait till, everything, wait till I get my name called. And I was really surprised, I guess because it's been a while, because actually, as y'all already know, I'm 46. I turned 46 this past October. So when I turned 40, that was when, I guess the age women my age is supposed to start getting their mammograms. I think that's the age also that men are supposed to start getting their prostate check, I think. Okay. Well, I think because of the pandemic, I hadn't done my mammogram in my last mammogram in a while. So this is like technically my second mammogram that I've ever had. Since I was 14, 15, oh no, I'm going to say senior year of high school, I've had a pap smear every year. Just about every year. So when I went and got my pap smear, it was normal. My OBGYN, she was like, because my primary care doctor mentioned, is like, oh, you haven't had your physical in a while, and you haven't had a mammogram. So my OBGYN was like, you need to get a mammogram. So I went there. I wanted to go to the Pink Door Imaging because I've been there before for a pelvic exam. That's how I found out I have uterine fibroids. But this time, my insurance, they were like, we take Aetna, but we don't take your form of Aetna. They were like, you have to pay out of pocket, and it's going to be like $200. I said, $200? So I had to call my OBGYN back, and I was like, they're saying it's going to cost me this much, so I need to go in-network. So I went in-network, and I was really surprised at how quick I was. And I'm just like, is it because of the location I was at? Or the time? Like, because it's spring break. So I'm thinking like, okay. Because I was pretty quickly in and out. And the technician, she was really nice. And she talked to me, and she was like, move here. And it's the thing is like, when you go in there, it's like think about like when you go for an X-ray. Okay, like X-ray, you're like standing up and they put a little thing on you, or if you like do the MRI, you're like lying down and you like go inside of it, or CT scan or whatever. So like you're standing up, and basically you have to put your breast on a little stand thing, so that the X-ray or imaging can then take a picture of your breast. And so you have to do it so many different angles for they can get it. And so it's, to me, mine didn't hurt. It was just like, it's the pressure from it, you know? And so it was like, I was like, okay, this is preventing. So, yeah, so I'm supposed to get the results back in like 2 weeks. And then she asked me for my previous person so they can ask them for what I had before so they can compare both of them. So, yeah. But it was, I was letting know. I was like, oh, it's like, all right. My insurance covers it, you know? So, but I wanted to also do this. Y'all remember when I did the Huda Sangria? Or some of y'all gonna remember. Okay. Some of you might not remember. I think I meant to put it on my Did I put it on my reactions channel? I don't know. But there's this guy, and he does, let me show y'all. I showed y'all before that he does the Huda Sangria, but he has another one that I had to try. Oh, that's not him. That's somebody pretending to be him. Okay. His name is Corey B. is his name. To be honest, I'm just trying to finally do what my doctors have been telling me to do. I think I'm finally getting it. Like, okay, let me do what these doctors have been telling me to do. I'm gonna take my medicine. I'm gonna walk my dog twice a day, 3 times if I can. Drink some more water. Do what my dietitian says. I need you to eat this. Actually, I need to get some groceries. I'll get that tomorrow, though. Okay.
All you do is mix together a BeatBox and a Buzzball. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So that's what I've been doing. I'm trying to do what the doctor tells me to do. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all. Let me see if I can show y'all. This is called this is another drink that he found, and he said it's delicious and it doesn't cost a lot. So like I did the Huda Sangria, was the Mountain Dew and the box of the black red wine. You pour half and half into a glass of ice. It tastes like Huda Sangria. It does. It does. I'm telling you, it does. So I got that in the refrigerator. I'm gonna say that for me and my friend another time. But I've been wanting to try the Buzzball one. So y'all gonna look at the Buzzball. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna turn the camera around, and then we're gonna look at the. Wait, where's the camera? Okay. Settings, camera. Okay. Don't look at the laundry I need to do. Yeah, I got. Okay. So this is okay. So this is Corey B. All right. And so let me put this on here. Okay. This video is protected by Section 107 U.S. Copyright in 1976. Allows for free commentary, discussion, and research. Okay. And so I'll put the link after this video. I'll put the link to his video in the chat. So here is Corey B, and he's showing you how to make this drink.
This is the most viral pre-game drink all over the internet right now. All you do is mix together a BeatBox and a Buzzball. Yeah. You know why I went viral? Approved, bro. I got the ball. I got the box. No, not like that. I got the box. There you go. Oh. No. It's supposed to go in. I've never heard a good thing about Buzzballs. Nobody drinks one of these and meets their wife. They drink one of these and do 25 to life. You know what they say? Drink a Buzzball, your pants falls. Is that on here? Subtle tones of lime, lemon, and a misdemeanor. Drink this, you might show your misdemeanor. And that's a promise. No. What's the difference? Mine looks better. Yours looks like comment in the chat. Who has a better one? This looks like a Baja Blast. And if I drink this, I won't remember my past. You also won't last. I don't really last long anyway, but this... Same. You know what they say? 1 in the blue, 2 in the... Who? No. Nobody says that. Some guys in jail. actually good. Yeah, it's actually good. I'm gonna be committing crimes on Spirit Airlines, dude. That's great. I might show my feet on a Spirit Airlines seat. I might black out and put my ass out. This is crazy. Oh no, if I keep sipping, I'm just stripping. Oh my. You rang? Apparently, this is the most viral pre-game drink all over the internet right now.
Okay. And I forget the other person's name, but I think I follow him too. I thought he just said, oh my goodness, baby. So I got the Buzzball and the BeatBox. So we're gonna try it. Okay, we're gonna try. So
all you do is mix together a BeatBox and a Buzzball. Yeah.
Okay, so let's try it. Okay, so I got my ice. Okay, I got the Buzzball. He didn't say how much I'm supposed to put in here. It's he got a little cap thingy. Okay. Let's look at okay. So should I just put half of it? Like try half? Because you can't really close it. This is the one I got. This is now they have different flavors. This one is the lime Rita chiller. They have other flavors, so I'm just gonna see. I'm gonna just put half of, because I don't know how. They didn't say how much you're supposed to put. Because with the Mountain Dew one, they were like half Mountain Dew, half of the box. Okay, so that's it there. Okay. I've never heard. I've seen these the chillers around, but I had never seen the BeatBox before. That's okay. Drink responsibly. I'm at home, as you can see. I'm not drinking and driving. Okay. So I got my stuff. Got my stuff. There you go. We supposed to get half of it? I'm gonna do half of the box. I'm gonna do. This is okay. Okay, I'm gonna just do that. Okay. So I got this left in case it don't come out right. Okay, so I'm gonna do. So this is what it looks like. It's aqua. Stir it up. Let's taste it. Wish my ice cubes were bigger. Okay. All right. So we're gonna see. This tastes good. Mm-hmm. Whew. To me, this tastes better than the Huda Sangria. I think I got a new drink to bring to the next girls' night in, night out. I'm telling you. Okay, so get you lemon lime chiller. And I want to say I've seen these at the gas stations too. Not just the liquor place and the BeatBox. Now these two, to be honest with you, I got these from Randall's. So stores have a liquor section. So it tastes good. It tastes really good. What else should I try? What should I try next? Oh, this tastes good. Whoo! This tastes good. It do. So, all right. So y'all ready for the next? Look, y'all ready for the next topic? Oh, I need to come up with a drink for Sunday, for St. Patty's Day. I'm gonna look on Corey and see what he got. You know what? And that's actually what my endocrinologist said. He said 15 minutes. He said I need to start doing 15 minutes, but I've been doing really good. But I also bought some resistant bands because my dietitian said I had too much skeletal muscle that decreased. So she said I need to increase my protein and do resistance training. Yeah. But thank you, Black Anonymous. So, but it's a good thing. Like I drink alcohol, but I guess you could say I'm the friend that drinks it like once a week or every other week. It's not like it's on my list to get every week, you know? So, but yeah. Okay. So I wanted to talk about this today. So while I was um in the waiting room at the um at the mammogram imaging place, okay? So I get a notification because I'm subscribed to like a lot of different news channels, um the Young Turks, the local news, CNN, what's the other one? MSNBC, Associated Press, The Independent, PBS NewsHour has some good stuff too. Fox Atlanta, I want to say 11 Alive. I want to say there's a Chicago one and New York one that I also follow. And then, okay. All right. 1 mile indoor walking with Nick. Okay. Thank you. 1 mile indoor walking with Nick. Okay. Let me take a picture of that because then I can do. Hey, it's World Game. Okay. Thank you, Black Woman. I got it. All right. So, yeah. So, there you go. And Nick is a cutie too. Really, Black Anonymous. Okay. 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 So, as y'all been watching in the news, I've been following it more from other content creators and also other content creators who are also lawyers. The Fani Willis, Nathan Wade disqualification motion. For those of you who don't know who that is, let me show you on my thumbnail. Okay, so Fani Willis, as you can see in the picture, Fani Willis and Nathan Wade are the, I guess you say, the special prosecutors that are prosecuting the case of Georgia versus Donald Trump, and he for the 2020 presidential election for election interference. Him and like 18 other people are being sued or not sued, prosecuted under charges for this. And so Trump's lawyers have said, hey, we think that Fani Willis needs to step down because she has been involved with this man, Nathan Wade, who is her co-counsel. And we think she's not doing her job. She's basically doing something that she is not supposed to do. And so they basically, because of the motion, they had to have like a hearing where they get both sides bring evidence of why she and him should be removed. And so they brought in, she testified, he testified. I'm trying to think, did his ex-wife or soon-to-be ex-wife testify? I know her father testified, and then like there was like a divorce attorney or like someone in their law firm, which they're finding out that he has actually been talking with Trump's attorney. So that might not be very good for him. And so they said, oh, we were back together in 2019. But when Trump talked about some text messages, they're like, oh, this is 2022. So basically, what it came down to earlier this morning, the judge said, okay, basically, we do feel like y'all had a relationship in the past. And so both of y'all can't stay on this case. One of you can stay on the case, but the other one has to go because it cannot appear that you are here under these improper uh appearing is an improper relationship. So somebody got to go. So if Fani want to stay, Nathan got to go. Or if Nathan stays, then Fani got to go. Okay, so that was like early this morning. So a few hours ago, and I was in the waiting room. Yeah, it was just like, to me, to be honest, it really was Trump's attempt, because he has 4 trials going on. He has one in New York, one, was it 3? Is it 5? No, one in New York that just got, he owes like $350 million because basically he was inflating the importance of his business. He owes the other lady $83 million from her previous suit. He has the what do you call it? The one in Florida. He has the because of the archives. He had confidential things that he was supposed to turn to the archives. And then he was showing the stuff to other people. He has that case, and then he also has the inciting the insurrection case in Washington, D.C. And then he has this case, right? So I just think it was him just trying to figure out, okay, how can I get out of one of these cases and also do deflection and throw it on them and not me, you know? And so, but now I believe the judge over the case did reduce some of his charges, but the main one, I forget how many charges it were. I think it might have been more than 10. They got rid of 6, I think, but he still got the rest of them. And our thing is this: he was literally on the phone calling officials in Georgia, and it literally said, I need 17,280 more votes. And I'm just like, sir, no, the presidents was doing that back in the day. If they did, we didn't know about it. Like, you was like, didn't I say every time you call on the phone, they're like, this call is being recorded for quality assurance purposes. Like, come on. So, like I said, while I was in the waiting room at the mammogram imaging office, it said, and this was around 5:20 p.m. I guess is this East? It's probably Central Standard Time, so it'd be like 6:20 their time. It says Judge Scott McAfee issued his ruling Friday morning. This is morning on the motion to disqualify Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis in her office from the Georgia election interference case against former President Donald Trump and others. Because remember, he has like 18 defendants. Although McAfee stated that the defendants failed to prove that the district attorney acquired an actual conflict of interest in this case through his personal relationship and recurrent travels with her lead prosecutor, McAfee asserted that the established record now highlights a significant appearance of impropriety that affects the current structure of the prosecution team, an appearance that must be addressed by the state through the selection of one of 2 options. Either Willis or Wade must go. Okay. They're looking at, I guess this must be the law OCGA 15-18-5. The prosecution in this case cannot proceed until the state elects one of 2 options. The district attorney may choose to step aside along with the whole of her office and refer the prosecution to the prosecutor attorney's counsel for reassignment. Alternatively, SADA Wade can withdraw, allowing the district attorney, the defendants, and the public to move forward without his presence or remuneration, distracting from and potentially compromising the merits of this case. Okay, it said a few hours later, and I have this for y'all. This is his Okay. It said a few hours later, Nathan Wade resigned his position as a special prosecutor for the Georgia election interference case on Friday afternoon. In the letter, Wade says that although the court found that the defendants failed to meet their burden of proving an actual conflict of interest, he was offering his resignation in the interest of democracy and in dedication to the American public. After Wade's resignation was announced, former president. Okay. All right. So as y'all can see, this is his his letter, his resignation letters as of today. And that's I think that's the office via hand delivery. So he just has to give it to her. So because like she's the boss, right? Because he was special assistant district. Yeah, he was special, and she was like the district attorney. So he basically says, "Dear District Attorney Willis, the furtherance of the rule of law and democracy is and has always been the North Star of our combined efforts in the prosecution of those who are alleged to have attempted to overthrow the results of Georgia's 2020 presidential election. Our team is dedicated to ensuring that a Fulton County jury in a Fulton County courtroom renders a true and just verdict in this case. As directed by the order today in state of Georgia versus Donald Trump et al. Et al. Means like everybody else who's listed on the case. I hereby offer my resignation effective immediately as special prosecutor for the Fulton County District Attorney's Office. Although the court found that the defendants failed to meet their burden of proving that the district attorney acquired an actual conflict of interest, I am offering my resignation in the interest of democracy, in dedication to the American public, and to move this case forward as quickly as possible. I am proud of the work our team has accomplished in investigating, indicting, and litigating this case, seeking justice for the people of Georgia and the United States, and being part of the effort to ensure that the rule of law and democracy are preserved has been the honor of a lifetime. I am sure that the case and the team will be in good hands moving forward, and justice will be served. You, the team on this case, and the entire office have my prayers for your safety and your success in the pursuit of justice. Respectively, Nathan J. Wade, Esquire. So he did in the interest of democracy so that the case can move forward so that it can happen. So this seems to appear, this is a victory for, Willis. I mean, she doesn't have to go, but Wade does. Trump doesn't get, I think he was trying to get both of them dismissed, but he wanted the case to be weakened because I mean, this is serious. I mean, hasn't Giuliani, or is it Giuliani? Hasn't he already been convicted? And I think a few of them, I need to double check. He offered Michael Roman a plea deal of a misdemeanor charge. He turned it down. Why? Sir, why not? You gon' have they not understood? They have been following what Donald Trump wanted them to do, and now they're in so much trouble. I'm okay. What you trying to do, Michael Roman? And then here's Donald Trump. I'm just so tired of him. He's gonna go on. I forgot. He's not on X, formerly known as Twitter. He's on another social media. I think it's the conservative one called Truth Social. He said, this is what former President Trump said, that Wade had resigned in disgrace. Did y'all hear any disgrace in this letter? Because I didn't. And that Wade was special in more ways than one. He also said it was the equivalent of deranged Jack Smith getting canned. Who is Jack Smith? Oh, Lord. Here he goes. See, this is what I'm talking about. Like, Smith is the special counsel assigned to oversee the criminal investigation into the retention of classified documents at Trump's Mar-a-Lago resort. Sir. Mr. President, Mr. Former President, these are the prosecutors in your case. Why are you saying anything about these people? You have lawyers for a reason, so that they can, like, he has to be the worst client. the worst client. How they gonna try to help him if he keeps jumping on social media or going on live and talking and everything? I'm just like, dude, that's why you owe for $350 million because you talk too much. You're the other lady, 83. He almost got the judge in the when they had the hearing for how much damage is gonna be. He almost got in trouble with her talking too much. And it's like, sir, what is you just Jim Jordan threatens Fani was a contempt over subpoena on federal grant. What does federal grants have to do with her? Like what the federal grants for her law degree? And see, this is what I'm talking about. This is the thing. It's like a colleague of mine said. He said he literally is right. He's like Republicans are not in the job of governing. They're just doing. It's like retaliation. They're doing revenge. Y'all are mad. They are mad because they're prosecuting their man, right? And the judge, and this is the thing, the judges, no matter if they're like Obama, George W. Bush, his appointees, all of the judges are like looking at the law like, yeah. I'm just like, and then he's like telling followers about the people, and I forget who was it, somebody judge. Is one of them suing him? Somebody is suing him. Because he basically put their lives in danger. It's like, is it got a disease or something? Just like, how are you out here just... it's more than unorthodox. It's just downright. He's just ratchet. He don't care. He's like Jaguar, Wright. He gives no fucks. He don't care. He really don't. He's threatening Willis over the use of federal funds. Like, did she use federal funds for her job or like for her own education? Because wasn't the state? Well, I know there was a county was trying to like do something, and then the county was like, "Oh, that's not for us to do. The state needs to do something." And then now the state was investigating, but I think the state was not. Unless I need to double check, was not going to do anything about it. But now, when the state says, okay, we're not going to do anything about it, now the federal government is like, oh, we want you to come up here and talk to us. Like, y'all are interfering with the goddamn... This is what kills me. The Republicans in Congress are interfering with her case, which deals with their homeboy, Donald Trump, interfering with an election. Like, come on. They supposed to be bringing they still trying to bring Hunter up before them. That they have to do avoid a shutdown every other week. Did you know they brought over what's his name? Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin before the court because they want to know, well, how come you didn't tell us you went to the hospital? And I'm thinking like, y'all could have get this on a Zoom call. You could have asked for his records from his doctor. You could have did this conference call. You didn't have to bring him before Congress. And I'm like, do you not know the man is trying to still do his job? He got to deal with Ukraine, Iraq. There's something over there in was it the Red Sea? Something over there. Where's Yemen at? Over there. And I'm just like, the man he went for the procedure and came home. Then he probably had a little setback. He went there, took care of it, came into his house. Because he done. These are funds supposed to be used for dealing with youth violence and gangs prevention programs. And they think that this is the time for them to ask this right now while she's in the... I'm tired. Is Jim Jordan from Wyoming? That's it. We need to figure out something. They all need to have, the next go around, they all need to have some Republican challenges in their primary so they can be on the general ballot. Because this is ridiculous. They need some people. I need some new people or something because it's ridiculous. I'm tired. I'm tired. Oh, and then I forgot to tell you about this. Is Black and White still here? So supposedly, my Governor Abbott of Texas, I didn't vote for him that time. Did that time I vote for him? I don't think that time. Supposedly, he got offered the vice president position. He said he turned it down. But people in Texas, they said people have been trolling him because of it. I want that man gone, but I do not want that man to be vice president because if something happened to Donald Trump, that man is the next person in line. He already signed his shit up here for Texas. We don't need that. America don't need that. And Texas already get blamed. Look, I already get blamed for shit that Jag does, and she's not from Texas, but she just be doing shit here. People like, what's going on in Texas? I don't got nothing to do with her. We don't claim her. Damn. And now Ken Paxton, he's supposed to be suing some company because he say, oh, this Hispanic company, they hired people who didn't speak English. And I'm thinking like, because you heard them speaking Spanish. I'm like, people are bilingual. This is Texas. I swear, it's just like, they getting their licks back. And I'm just like, y'all just, it's too much. Too much. The case stems from a previous employee prior to the Willis administration who was fired. Again, thank you. You calling up the wrong person. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord, prior protection over family Willis. Lord have mercy, Jesus. Just thank you. I taught Texas history. Be as it may, at one point, the Mexican Texans and the Anglo Texans was on the same thing. They were like, we don't like what Santa Anna's doing. Okay. Santa Anna basically was a narcissist. He decided, oh, I'm going to go lead my own Mexican army against the Texans. He kept going further and further north, away from his base of support. And then guess what? Sam Houston got to his closer to his base support, and that was Andrew Jackson. A lot of Americans had already had their eyes on Texas. They're like, oh, Texas is part of Louisiana Purchase. Mexico was like, no, it's not. But technically, it was. But it was only the part where Matagorda Bay is, not the rest of Texas. And damn it, they took advantage of that shit. And then 1844, Texas, I think it was a joint resolution. Not Polk, Tyler. He almost got removed. He was really a states' rights Democrat, but he was on part of the Whig Party, and he kept vetoing everything. They're like, dude, we're gonna impeach you. Everybody left the job. Everybody. That's why I'm like, he's like Donald Trump. Everybody just left the job. Just resigned. And they're like, dude, you're not gonna be our candidate next time. And then Polk was like, hey, I'm gonna make that a campaign promise. I'm gonna annex Texas and Oregon. Before Tyler left office, he was like, hey, Texas, y'all still want to be part of the United States? By that time, Texas was its own state for 10 years. We were in debt. Mexico wasn't recognizing our border. We had problems with Apaches and stuff and Comanches and stuff. We were like, okay, sure. What we got to do? December 29, 1845. But like I said, it was just, and then we had to follow a two-year war over it. If Mexico would have held out, they would have had the gold rush and would have been able to keep it all. Shoot. But yeah, basically Texas and Mexico. And Texas was its original state or province name was Coahuila y Tejas. Yeah. Yeah, this is what I think. Hey, encourage NYC. This is what I think. I think for them, I don't think that they was thinking Donald Trump was gonna go into their personal lives, and I think they forgot. They probably thought like he has the credentials. They know he has a track record of doing his job. I'm just gonna hire him. I think before they started dating, they were colleagues. So it was like she knew him professionally. But yeah, and then, in this case, his ex-wife was probably very willing to testify or give up information because, she wanted her to get back, which I don't blame her. So, but yeah. That man is, you see, he got supporters willing to go find I'm gonna drink the rest of this. This is good. I had to give me one more chiller. Okay. So yeah, I was just like, what up? That's what I think. But who would have thought in 2024 you would be assigned to the special prosecutor? I mean, she could have found somebody else, but it's just like, if I know that person is the best one for the job, and we're trying to get this dude, it's just like, okay, we have to put our personal stuff aside. But yeah, them trying to say, oh, we were back together in 2009. You got text messages and stuff out there. Text messages seem to get people every time. Text messages and emails and screenshots gets people every time. That's how Jeff Bezos got a divorce. He's worth $52 billion. He had to give half of that to his ex-wife. And that's because, guess what? She was his first employee. She was an accountant. They had 2 kids and everything. His dumb ass is gonna have an affair with a friend of theirs' wife. So he's gonna be going on business trips and stuff, right? Well, he texting her like, hey, you arrived at the hotel yet? Or he's like, or they're sexting. Like, dumb ass. Dumb ass. Yeah, he might got spaceships going up to space or whatever, but dumb ass. What is going on with you? Like, one, he shouldn't have been cheating on that woman at all. And then some people were like, oh, she shouldn't have got all his money. She was the first employee. And she's the accountant. He should have kept his wee-wee in his pants and stopped texting people. So it make no sense. Make no sense. Let me put the article in here for y'all. So you can go back and read it yourself. But yeah, it's just like, but I'm also going to put the video in here. But I might make this a separate video. We might talk about it tomorrow. Cause why is Jag calling herself the queen of YouTube? I have to do it another time. Why is Jag calling herself the queen of YouTube? When she the queen of lies. Somebody in Jenna Robinson chat said, no, Jag is a liar. She works for her father, Satan. And the truth ain't in her. I was like, that ain't a lot of. But she said she was the queen of YouTube. I was like, the queen of what? The queen of YouTube. That's why I played queen at the beginning. No, you're not. Let me see. Oh. Wait, look what's in here. Okay, here's the article. Okay, there's the first Fox 5 Atlanta article. Okay, and then this is their channel. Okay. Okay. But yeah, it's like my thing is this. I guess I don't know. Maybe we can still do it this live. My thing is like, what's the Jag? Jag isn't the queen of YouTube. She thinks she is, but I'm just like, really? And Danny Robinson made a good point. She's like, you have only 5,000 subscribers. I'm at 4,500. Danny Robinson got like 11,000 on one channel. I think she got 6 or 8 on another one. She has way more engagement than Jag. Way more than me. Heck, sometimes I have more people than Jag. How is she the queen of YouTube? See, I want to apologize because I think I was one of the first ones that said this was the Jaguar Wright sector. And I think that shit has gone to her head. I think it's gone to her head. I don't know what it is with her, Umar Johnson. I keep thinking, like, what the hell was they doing in North? What is going on in North Philly? These two right here, these two, is out here doing the mess that they're doing. King of encouraging what I said. Someone said, I was thinking Queen of Lies. Someone said Queen of, what was something that they said in the chat? I'm trying to remember. Queen of, maybe so. Oh my goodness. Like, why, sis? Why? And this also something about her being homeless. Then she said she was upset because people saying she was homeless. And I'm just like, and like I said, you're homosexual. She's been couch surfing since she got arrested. Since she since the eviction actually. Yeah, I was looking at KKC. And this is the weird thing. Jag has had 2 or 3 channels taken in the last year. And she keeps getting a new one. And then now, guess what? She's on Facebook. I'm just like, and guess what? The 3 places, she's on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube now. Is it the one that Danny played last night or yesterday? And I just wanted TJ to be quiet. Like, TJ, you're the last one to be talking about someone being disrespectful to their son or to their child. I mean, you're right about Jag, but damn, you are the last one should be saying anything. And I wish that whoever Jag was talking to, yesterday or day before yesterday, I just wanted to, like, I reached to the phone, ma'am, run, run. Don't eat nothing she give you. Don't no smoke nothing she give you either. And watch your purse. I'm just saying. This is what the Jag is. The Jag thinks she's smart, but she's not. And the old people know her. She had these new people around her and thought she can get over on them. But they kept things close to the hip. They didn't tell her everything. And see, she thought, oh, I'm going to break up with Sip, and then he gonna realize he really loves me. He's going to ask me to come back to him. And that's not what happened. He was like, okay, we can be friends, bye. And that was like, she discarded him, thinking that it was going to be reverse psychology, and it's like it ended up putting egg on her face. And then the video, she was where she was accusing Kimmy of doxing her, but then she was doxing, was it Kimmy, or she was doxing Sip, and then got her own video taken. By the way, if you go to ican't.com, Danny put up the deleted live because someone screen recorded that Jag got taken down. So, yeah. I'm just like, ma'am. And part of me almost, I want to go out early, like, Jag, you are online arguing with folks. You should be doing the same thing I'm doing right now. I went for a mammogram today. Did you? Like, come on. Like, what you doing? Over here doing grown women stuff. You over there. Oh, Lord. And everybody that's still over there after hearing what she said about her what she said to her own son. How y'all still over there? Okay, back to Finn. Okay. I think because Nathan Wade is gone, either the ones that are remaining, they may move up to his spot, or maybe one of them who's been wanting that spot, or someone else that didn't get picked to be on the team may be willing to come in the system. Because right now, to me, it's feel like Fulton County, they got capable district attorneys. It's the ones that are on. He has to be careful of doing that because he's supposed to be off the case. So right now, what he needs to do is that if he's resigned, he needs to be somewhere else working on someone else's case, and he needs to be seen working on someone else's case. And right now, since they were already looking at their text messages, there should not be any more text messages or emails between those two. Just saying. But why would she if it's about election interference? Sorry, it's one of my students. Okay. Yeah. Now, who she could call is that other guy that testified, because it shows that, hey, your lawyers have a history of, he knows a lot of stuff, even if he's off the case. Yeah, but this is the thing. The whole point of them, what they said now, let's not get the man in trouble. The whole point was they said, look, one of you has to go because it's going to look like impropriety. So if he's off the case, he has to be off the case. So whatever notes, research, or anything he has, he needs to give it over to her now. Now, if they just happen to be somewhere having some coffee or something, or at a conference or something, then it's just like, hey, I just saw you here. Hello. But as you can see, Donald Trump, I forget how he found out about the text messages. They allegedly said he used some allegedly illegal service to get the text messages. So if he can get those text messages, he can get any new text messages. if they continue to date, they can text Wright. I don't even think they're dating anymore. I don't think they're dating anymore. Yeah, I don't think they're dating anymore. That's what I read somewhere. They were supposedly they dated in the past, but by the time she appointed him to this job, they were supposed to be no longer dating. But they kept saying 2019, 2019. But the text message was saying 2022. unless I misread it. And then I think at one point, I think he started getting on her nerves. I think he started getting on her nerves. So now she may have to go. If I don't know if his divorce has been finalized or not, but she may have to go testify in his divorce hearing maybe. So, and the moral of the story is, children, do not get involved with people you work with. And the number 2 thing is, do not get involved with married people. And I'm just going to let you know, I learned that from experience. Yes, even me. Learn the hard way. They're not leaving them. They're not leaving them. And then if they do, guess what? Now you got to look at them like, damn, if you left them for me, you going to leave me for somebody else. Can't trust them. Mm-hmm. Right. Mm-hmm. That's why I be looking at Jag and she be like, when she told TJ she was gonna get a divorce for her and she never got a divorce, and then she over there talking about Sip is her fiance. Girl, if you don't stop, you was like 2, 3, 4 days in Dallas. You didn't go by the courthouse to fill out the paperwork. Like, come on now. Mm-mm-mm. Why would Sip want to get married to you and have children, and you ain't divorced from the first dude? Exactly. She was, in her mind, I think she was making him into a version of Goomba. Because her and Goomba was like, we getting married after 3 weeks. They were with each other for 4 years. But we're like legally married for 1. So I think that's what she was trying to do with TJ, and she definitely was trying to do that with Sip. But she's intimidated because he's friends with Kat. That's the whole reason why he came on YouTube. So it's like, yeah. Mm-hmm. Why do all that? Like, now she doxing his girl. She calling him by his whole name, his middle name too. Like, why do I need to know this man's middle name? Oh yeah, but remember but this is the thing. Jag keeps forgetting that we have been watching her for a whole goddamn year. Girl, you are a soap opera. Before it was like, okay, this is a reality show. Oh no, you are a soap opera at this point. These are the days of Jaguar's lives. That's what we watching. You same script, different cast. Matter of fact, I should play that song. Same script, different cast. You done had what, 2, 3 different co-stars? You had Goomba, then you had TJ, and then now you had Sip. Then you had the reoccurring Miss Cat Medusa. Then you had Kimmy Love. Then you had your Mod Squad. Different people had. Like, come on. And then supposedly buy him a car. The OG Prestige was like, I think she's talking about the same place her and Goomba got that last car from. I'm thinking like, you doing the same exact thing you've done before? Ugh. Fix it, Jesus. Fix it, Jesus. Mm-mm-mm. Well, y'all, thank y'all so much for listening to me for a little bit over an hour about my mammogram, Fani Willis and Nathan Wade, and about, Jaguar Wright. Just, these are the days of Jaguar's lives. The queen of youth. That girl didn't say she was the queen of youth. The queen of lies. That's what you are, the queen of lies. If there's a queen of YouTube, it's not you. It's not. So thank you, Encourage NYC. Thank you, Block Anonymous. Thank you, Swirl Gang. Thank you to those of you who are going to watch this on the replay. Thank you, Susan Johnson, so much for being here. Please like, share, subscribe. I appreciate you. I will see y'all, my favorite students, my play cousins, and someone else's chat, chatting it up. So I will talk to y'all later. Bye. Let's go out on this song. Let's go out on the song. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's go. It's another song I know I could dance. Hold on, listen. Okay. Does he love you like he's been loving? Oh, they have something like that. That's it was Reba McEntire had something similar. It was like, does he love you like he's been loving me? Hold on. It was Reba McEntire. Hold on. I like the song. I'm in the song mood, y'all. It may be the drink. Supposed to be a version with Dolly Parton and Reba McEntire. Okay, we got to listen to that one. Hold on. Love me some Reba. Love me some Dolly.
This song. I love singing this with you. Thank you. Don't I get...
Oh, that is so cute. I love me some Reba, some Dolly. But I remember there being an R&B, but look, you doing that, doggy. Gotta take a shit. No, he's out. He actually, you know what? He might actually have to. But I remember there being an R&B version of this song. Did you go over there to Sexy Toy Lady? I was trying to figure out what was going on. I remember there being an R&B version of Does He Love You Like He Loves Me? He's holding me. in your fantasy. Does he love you? Hey, Roxy Birds, happy birthday, sis. How you doing? No, I remember there. I really do remember there being an R&B version of. I forget what singer it was that did. Does he love you like he loves me? But it may not have been a duet. Let me go to Google. Love you. Okay. It was an R&B version though. I remember an R&B singer. You are so welcome. Y'all like, share, subscribe to Roxyverse. I remember an R&B. I'm trying to think who was an R&B singer who did it. Does he love you? Let me look up Patti LaBelle. Let me look up Patti LaBelle. It was Patti LaBelle. It was Patti LaBelle. I love you and I need you, honey. I love you. I do. You know. And I will be there together. I think she recorded it as, "Hey Barbara, this is Shirley." But it's a nicer version. It's a much more nicer and sophisticated version. Does he love you, Barbara? Like he loves me? I'm about to do this one. That is Green Acres. Green Acres is the place to be. I ain't gonna never see Green Acres name again. Okay. Okay, Greg. Greg. Look, I needed to be gone 30 minutes ago. Thanks, Craig. I was actually kind of feeling bad today, sad today a little bit. You know? That's a classical. You did. That's what Craig likes to do. He's talking about that's a classical. That was not classical. Oh no. Okay, Craig. Thank you so much. Should I say no thank you? Oh, okay, Roxy. Craig beat. Thank you. I understand. I got to go. I got to go. Thank y'all for being here. I'll see you later.